Menteri Rangba ke Jela Meghalaya Conrad Sangma haka khatlai tarik unailar arja arpusan ulasam yaki cek shaki Nongshongīew jingde Īewduh kibala register ya dia haka office jongka hima melim lingba ka Chief Minister Urban Livelihood Grant ULG haka jingalang kabala penlong ha SMB parking lot kabadan ha persya ka Anjali Cinema. Hakadi kaski nolor Menteri Rangba ke Jela lai don lang daki sembut Menteri Rangba berkentup yoba Prestun Tensong berupa senyau bahalang dhar nolor ki Menteri Sorkar kata ke Dr. Mazel Amprin Lingdo berupa Sanbor Sulai CEO ke SMB UPK Buro ke DC jong East Khasiels District ke Kong Rosetta Mary Kurba nolor kiwei-kiwei. Nongshongīew jingde Īewduh kibla yok Pdiang yaki cek hakani kasngi kila don kemas saus pa laingut ke balong marshipau Hajar Tyngka. Haswa kani Menteri Rangba ulawan ban pli mau nong remna ke benta ke jingsna penbha ya ke Īewduh ya ke baka mang pisa ke jankot arpau klur Tyngka.
And friends, as already mentioned by Deputy CM in charge urban affairs, we have already initiated the first process of 5 crores worth of improvement, and you must have seen today also we were surveying and we were checking the work that is being done. And today we have also laid down the foundation for the second phase of 13 plus crores, almost 14 crores of funds which have been sanctioned through the NEC. And I thank our donor minister, Mr. Jyotiraditya Scindia ji, for his generosity. And after we have discussed with him about the importance of Īewduh, he has very, very happily sanctioned the money, and today we have laid the foundation stone for the second phase of the Īewduh beautification project, and we are already preparing the DPR for the third phase, which is going to amount to almost close to 20 crores for the third phase of the Īewduh beautification project, which means in total almost close to 40-45 crores is going to be spent to improve the overall infrastructure and beautification of Īewduh market, which, as I mentioned in the beginning of my speech, which has been pending for a very, very long time, and people working there deserve this. That this is our market. This is your market. And so while the government does its part, while the Hima Milim does its part, I think as vendors, as shopkeepers, we also, all of you have a responsibility to keep Īewduh clean, to ensure that whatever you can do to maintain the cleanliness around your shops. I think if everybody, all the 5,500 different shopkeepers and vendors, if we all come together and do our part, I'm sure that Īewduh will become one of the most beautiful markets, not just in Shillong, but in the whole of Northeast and the whole of India. That's really what our mission is, and I seek your cooperation in order to be able to achieve that goal. That the government is with you and standing by you in small ways, in big ways, to do and to support you in whatever possible way to enhance your livelihood and take you forward. So the larger message, as I said, it's not about the money, it's not just about the scheme, but it is about dignity, and it is about the message from the government that we will work together with you and take this forward. So today is a very small token. We are starting with a 10,000 rupee token for all the registered vendors who have registered with the Hima Milim. And those who have not registered, please register so that you can also avail this scheme. And I also want to share with you that this money is something that we wish to transfer directly into your account. So it will be a DBT, direct benefit transfer. And therefore I request all of you to please give your bank accounts to the Hima. When we get the bank accounts, this money will be debited or given credit to you directly to your bank account, so that there is no transaction issue and no need to give checks, nothing. Directly the money will go into your accounts. and as mentioned by Honorable Deputy CM, the management of Īewduh market is not something that government will intervene. We are not here to disturb or to regulate Īewduh market. Please don't think that we are asking for registration to find out how we can regulate. No. We are here to help. And as a government, for us, we cannot do schemes and give money without a proper system. And therefore, a system has to be created. And therefore, this registration is being done to help us create a system, a registration which will be maintained and managed by the Hima Milim, and government will not interfere in the day-to-day functioning of the market area. But more importantly, it will also help the Hima also to know who are the regular vendors and who are the vendors who are coming every now and then and going away. I think this will help the overall management for the Hima Milim to manage the Īewduh market in a much better manner. And in the long run, we are starting with 10,000 rupees as a one-time grant to all of you who are registered. Some who have not registered, don't think you're left out. You have time, you can register after you complete the formalities with the Hima. And once that is done, then you will also get the one-time transaction of the grant that we're giving. And slowly and steadily, as we move further and as we incorporate other urban markets, because if you remember, this is a scheme called the Chief Minister's Urban Livelihood Grant Scheme. So this is for all urban municipal areas around the state, wherever there are market areas. Our idea is to help the street vendors, to help the different hawkers and support them in financial ways or whatever way government can. So this scheme has been created for that. And as we move along, I am hopeful that we will be able to help and support you in many, many other ways in the days to come.
Habatin, pej bahagi kishap, kashap plus F.
Ka plus F?
Hakabam bangibam dunaki eki bataya kamet. Namar kata habathiru atau khau kamlu ka umpnyang kadut pej ya kashap plus F hakajing som. Yaki nutrient kumki vitamin bat ka ayan la icon diat bat ka bathau bha kam kta ka dur jingki marbam ka jing mat lani ka rukom shed yaki balehi banai kita kadon ka we ka jing mentoy ba kongsan ka kot ka khia ka nutrition ba kham bha ka jing im ba kham bha pendon kam daki marbam madon ka sharp plus F menta kasni
Lawan Ra Shafi Lingba ko office jong Commissionerate of Food Safety Meghalaya